Do you want to make money on YouTube without creating your own product? In this video, I'll show you how to get started with YouTube affiliate marketing. First, let's understand what affiliate marketing actually is. It's a simple way to earn commissions by recommending products or services. I've got a special affiliate link to share with you all today. If you buy through this link, I may earn a commission. It's a great way to support the channel. Choose a niche for your channel. Some examples include technology, AI tools, gaming, software, and YouTube tips. Choose a topic you understand and enjoy. It's even better if your audience buys products. This is how you build a profitable community. Start creating today. The goal is to build an audience that trusts your recommendations and finds your content genuinely useful. Step 2. Join an affiliate program. Next, find affiliate programs related to your niche. Start by checking the company's official website. Look for a link in the footer. Read the program's requirements, commission structure, and terms carefully before signing up. Once you're approved, you may receive unique affiliate links for the products or services you want to recommend. Now let's create useful videos. This is how you reach your customers directly. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button now. If you're in the technology niche, you could make a video called Best Microphones for YouTube Beginners. You could also create videos like Top AI Tools for Content Creators or even Best Budget Tech for YouTubers. So make sure to subscribe for more tips. Don't just tell people to buy something, explain the features and benefits, but also share the limitations honestly. That is how you build real trust. Now add your link to the description. Paste your affiliate link right here. That's it, you're ready. When appropriate, you can also include the link in a pinned comment. Always follow YouTube's policies and the affiliate program's rules. I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases made through my affiliate links. Remember, more views don't automatically mean more affiliate income. The right audience is what really matters. Create problem-solving videos and recommend products. Choose your niche, build trust, and start your affiliate journey. Don't forget to subscribe.